students, today I want to discuss the partial derivative of secant order. For that, first define the partial derivatives with respect to x and with respect to y. The partial derivative with respect to x is defined as fx y equal to limit h tending to 0 f of x plus hy minus fxy divided by h. Similarly, the partial derivative of f with respect to y is defined as limit h tending to 0 f of x y plus h minus fxy divided by h. Next, notation for partial derivatives. If z is a function of x and y, then partial derivative with respect to x, fx x y is denoted by del f over del x. It can also be written as del z over del x. Similarly, fy xy is denoted by del f over del y, that is del z over del y. The partial derivative with respect to x is just the ordinary derivative of function of a single variable by keeping y as a constant. Hence, to find fx, regard y as a constant and differentiate fxy with respect to x. Similarly, to find fy, differentiate fxy with respect to y, treating x as a constant. For example, consider a problem fxy equal to x cube plus x square y cube minus 2y square, and if find fx 21 and fy 21. Here, to find fx xy, differentiate this function with respect to x, treating y as a constant, that is 3x square plus 2x y cube. Hence, fx 21 is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 into 1 cube, and this is equal to 16. Similarly, if we want to find fy 21, then differentiate this function with respect to y, treating y as a constant. So fy xy equal to 3x square y square minus 4y. Hence, fy 21 is equal to 3 into 2 square into 1 square minus 4 into 1, and this is equal to 8. consider one more problem. If fxy equal to fx 4 minus x square minus 2y square, then find fx 1 1 and fy 1 1. We have to find fx 1 1, differentiate this function with respect to x, treating y as a constant. That is fx xy equal to minus 2x, and put the value at x equal to 1, y equal to 1, that is minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Similarly, if we want to find fy11, then differentiate this function with respect to y, treating x as a constant. Hence, fy xy is equal to minus 4y. And to find fy11, put in place of x and y 1 1. And this is equal to 4 into, that is minus 4. Similarly, consider one more problem. If fxy equal to sine x over 1 plus y, then calculate del f over del x and del f over del y. Here, to calculate del f over del x, we use chain rule of functions of one variable. That is, del f over del x is equal to cos x over 1 plus y, and again differentiate x over 1 plus y with respect to x, and this is equal to cos x over 1 plus y into 1 over 1 plus y. Similarly, to calculate del f over del y, use chain rule, that is equal to cos x 1 plus y into del over del y of x over 1 plus y, and this is equal to cos x over 1 plus y into x over 1 plus y square. Next, how we find the partial derivatives of implicit function. If we have given some implicit function of x and y, then how we find partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. For example, consider x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 6xyz equal to 1. Then find del z over del x and del z over del y equal to 1. To find del z over del x, please differentiate with respect to x, treating y as a constant. So this is 3x square and here y is constant plus 3z square del z over del x plus 6yz plus 6xy del z over del x equal to 0. Solving for del z over del x, we get del z over del x equal to minus x square plus 2yz divided by z square plus 2xy. Similarly, to find del z over del y, implicitly differentiate the given function with respect to y, treating y as a constant, and we get del z over del y as this is equal to minus y square plus 2xz divided by z square plus 2xy. This is the case of partial derivative, first order partial derivatives. Now we discuss higher order partial derivatives. If f is a function of two variables, then its partial derivatives del z over del x and del z over del y are also functions of two variables x and y. Hence, we can consider again their partial derivatives, and they are known as second order partial derivatives, and these are fx, x, fx, y, fyx and fyy. The usual notation for this is fx, x is fxx, and this is del to f over del x square. Similarly, fx, y is fxy, and this is del to f over del x del y. Similarly, fyx is equal to fyx, and this is equal to del to f over del y del x. Similarly, fyy is equal to fyy, and this is equal to del to f over del y square. Thus, the notation fxy or del to f over del y del x means that we differentiate first with respect to x and then we differentiate with respect to y. And in computing fyx, the order is reversed. Consider a problem on second order partial derivatives. Find the second order partial derivative of fxy equal to x cube plus x square y cube minus 2y square. The first order partial partial derivatives are fx xy equal to differentiate with respect to x treating y as a constant, that is 3x square plus 2x y cube. Similarly, fy xy is equal to 3x square y square minus 4y. Hence, if we want to find fxx, that is del 2f over del x square, we again differentiate this with respect to x, and this is equal to 6x plus 2y cube. Similarly, to find fxy, that is del 2f over del x del y, we differentiate this with respect to y, and this is equal to 6x y square. Similarly, if we want to find fyx, this is equal to del 2f del y del x, and this is equal to 6xy square. Similarly, if we want to find fyy, that is del 2f over del y square, then differentiate this with respect to y again, and this is equal to 6x square y minus 4. In this problem, we notice that fxy and fyx have same value. From here, fxy equal to fyx. Hence, if order is reversed, then same value we find, and this is given by Clairaut's theorem, which states that if f is defined on a disk capital D that contains a point AB, then the function fxy and fyx are both continuous on capital D, and then f of xy AB equal to f of yx AB. Now we define total differential. If z is a function of x and y, and small delta x, delta y are increments of x and y, then the differential of the independent variable x and y are delta x, dx equal to delta x, dy equal to delta y, and the total differential of the dependent variable z is defined as dz equal to del z over del x dx plus del z over del y dy. Hence, we can write it as fx xy dx plus fy xy dy.